Holy fuck! Oh! Oh! Shit kicking! Holy fuck! Oh, you... Yeah, I remember this from Kurt Nugent. It's only been 30 seconds. I know! Oh! Whoa! Those are insane haymakers. Come on, big guy. You crazy.
Oh, okay.
Alright, pause.
Don't stop your recording unless you guys are done.
Alright, get up, come on.
Wait, are you guys done? Are you guys done? No. That didn't count. That didn't count.
That's immediate.
What?
It's been a minute right now. Okay.
You got it?